Hello, and thank you for popping over to my kitchen. It is a delight to have you here today again. And today we're going to be cooking an amazing recipe that my mom used to love. It's called salmon al cava, or cava salmon, champagne salmon. And she used to cook it every time it was on a special occasion, whether it was Christmas, Christmas Eve, birthdays, New Year's Eve, etc. My recommendation is make it anytime you want. You like it, you enjoy it, make it and eat it. Don't wait for a special occasion. And what you need to do is extremely simple, extremely easy to make. We're going to first add some salt. Oops, that's a bit of pepper. I don't like pepper that much. So a bit of salt. What we're going to do, we're going to put a little bit of butter on top of it, like that. And this is all you're gonna need to make it for now. There. When this goes into the oven and melts the butter, it will brown it and it will cook it nicely. So, clean your hands, thank you. So now this is going to go into the oven for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes we're going to take it out and we're going to cover it with cava. In this case it has to be brut cava. You don't want dry, you don't want sweet stuff like lambrusco, prosecco, anything sweet. No, you need something cava, champagne, brut, the dry stuff. Okay, so I'm going to pop it into the oven for 15 minutes, and after that is done we'll cover it with 15 minutes, and the salmon looks like this. Do not despair, it's going to brown up. So what we're going to do, we're going to pour about half a bottle of champagne, or cava, sorry, and we're going to do it slowly. Obviously I put only 4 fishes because we are not those many. We're eating 1 fish each, like that. If you have more people, obviously bigger tray, more cava. And we are going to do, we're going to return it into the oven, and it's going to be nice. Trust me, this is going to be nice. It's easy, simple, but it's going to go now into the oven for another 15 minutes. You will see the result is going to be astonishing, believe me. And if you don't believe me, try. So here we are. It's been a little longer of half an hour, and they're looking toasty and nice. All that is the juice left over. As I said, quick, easy, tasty, like everything we make. We'll see how it looks all served up, and please do give it a try. Tell me what you think about this recipe. Tell me how you serve it. Do subscribe to the channel because we got loads of recipes coming over, and please, the most important thing, share the love for food. Give us a like, give us a subscribe, click the bell button, tell your friends, don't forget us. Let's all eat nice food. Take care.